analysis for the retrofitting team immediately.
Digital aircraft design hologram. Aerospace engineering. Emirates aircraft tail branding. Premium aviation look.
We need to recalibrate the flow dynamics around this pylon.
Agreed. The current data suggests turbulence at high altitude.
If we adjust the sweep here, we might reduce the drag coefficient.
I agree. Let's run the CFD analysis on that configuration.
Aircraft stress simulation on giant digital display. Engineering analysis.
Emirates aircraft cabin layout hologram. Luxury interior planning.
Final aircraft design approval for Emirates fleet. Professional aerospace team. Aerospace material testing for large passenger aircraft manufacturing.
Jet engine performance simulation for Emirates aircraft.
Aircraft manufacturing facility, preparing for full-scale production.
Aircraft fuselage panels for World's biggest passenger jet. Factory floor.
Robotic shaping of aircraft body panels. Automated manufacturing.
Internal aircraft structure assembly for Emirates jet.
Ensure the barrier is flush. Okay, I'm securing the tape on this side.
Aircraft fuselage pressure testing. Safety validation.
Quality inspection of aircraft fuselage for Emirates.
Vertical tail installation on Emirates aircraft.
Alignment confirmed. Proceeding with the stabilization sequence now.
Roger that. All clear on this side.
Appling final torque now.
Reading steady. Alignment confirmed.
The schematic shows this harness connects to the main junction.
Let me verify the connection point on the tablet.
Heavy-duty landing gear assembly for Emirates wide-body aircraft.
Clear on the left side. Roger that. Easy now.
Watch the hydraulics.
Aircraft brake system testing for large passenger jet.
The pressure readings at this point seem slightly elevated.
Let me cross-reference that with the live diagnostics.
Completed jet engine prepared for Emirates aircraft installation.
Jet engine lifted toward wing of world's largest passenger aircraft.
Fuel system connection inside aircraft wing structure. Aircraft control surface testing on factory floor. Aircraft software and flight system diagnostics testing.
Final systems approval for Emirates aircraft manufacturing.
World's largest passenger aircraft, fully powered inside factory.
Aircraft emergency lighting test.
Aircraft safety and fire suppression system testing.
Empty cabin inside world's largest Emirates aircraft. Business class seating installation in Emirates aircraft.
Aircraft cabin mood lighting activation for Emirates.
Hand me the stretcher, please. We need to tuck this edge tight.
Right away. Is the next cut ready?
Make sure the wiring harness is secured to panel 7. We need to cross-check this against the blueprint before sign-off.
All right, keep pushing steady.
It's aligned. Locking it down now. Looks good.
Sequence complete on the forward section. Latch is secure. Recording data now. Cabin soundproofing quality test.
Aircraft window shade synchronization test.
Final quality inspection inside Emirates aircraft cabin.
And where do we locate the secondary inflation tube?
It's on the right side, near the shoulder, instructor.
To fasten your seatbelt, insert the metal tab into the buckle. To release, lift the buckle flap. Should the cabin lose pressure?
Final cabin approval for Emirates aircraft delivery.
Emirates aircraft livery painting process.
Finished Emirates aircraft exterior reveal.
Clear left side.
Copy. Approaching Charlie takeoff now.
Flap set at position 2. Checklist was complete. We are going to protect.
Emirates aircraft landing after successful test flight.
Emirates aircraft in flight during test phase.
We actually pulled it off. It's magnificent. Congratulations.
Today marks a significant milestone for Emirates.
Morning, welcome aboard.
Thank you. Ready for boarding?
Emirates aircraft ready for passenger service.
Emirates aircraft beginning first commercial journey.